In the name of God, the compassionate, the merciful, let's start the summary worksheet for grade 3 social studies. Question 1 is asking you about kinds of homes. The question is asking, what kinds of homes do we have? So we have to write them one by one each. Let's go with the first one. The first one is this one is actually a house, right? It's actually a house. How do you spell it? House. This is a house, right? So let's change the color to green. That's it. So the next one, this one actually is a reed house, right? This one is a reed house. Look at this one. This one is a very great house, which we call it a villa. Villa, V-I-L-L-A. Villa, okay? The next one, this one is called a hut. H-U-T is a hut, okay? And the next house, this one, this is a very small house, which we call it a cottage. Cottage, right? Cottage and hut are almost the same, but we call this kind of houses cottage. Look at this small home that they make in the Iceland and in the North Pole, in the cold places, we call them igloo. Igloo. This is G, capital G, igloo. So you can write it with I-G-L-O-O, igloo. The next house, which let me use the color green to write it here, is an apartment. It's an A-P-A-R-T-E-M, apartment, M-E-N-T. That's it. The next two houses that are down are called starting with T is called a tent, right? This is a tent. And this house, this is a kind of house on the river or sea that we call it a boat house, right? A boat house. Some people also say houseboat. Boat house is also correct. So next question is asking you about what are the ingredients of bread. This is a picture of bread. Do you see? So what are the ingredients? Okay. So first of all, we need flour. Flour, Then let me change the color to change the color, answer color to green, make it a little bit big so you can see easily. Then we also use water. We mix flour and water. We also need to add salt, right? And we also need to add oil. Some breads has oil, and also we need to add yeast. Yeast is a kind of white powder which we use in making bread. So let me just change the color to green so you can see clearly. So flour, water, salt, and yeast are the kind of ingredients that we use for making bread. So in the next question, we are asking about how to make bread. What do you need? First, you need the flour. So just type flour here, or you can bring it from up. So let me just copy and paste here. Okay, that's flour. Okay, then we need water. Water, very important. Just write in the box. Water. We also need salt. Salt is very important. Write it here. We also need yeast. Yeast is very important. Here we write oil too, but oil is not necessary for all kind of breads. Some breads we use oil. Okay? Now let's talk about 5 simple steps to make bread. Step 1 is to mix all the ingredients together, right? Mix all the ingredients. It's like choosing these, mixing all the ingredients, and then putting it up there. So we have it here, like we mix all the ingredients. Okay, we can put the image here, right? Okay, as you can see here. Yes, that's it. Step 2 is to, after mixing the ingredient, we have to add water to the mixture, okay? We have to add some water, okay? Add water. That's very easy. You can draw a picture of water here, or simply we can have this picture from here. Let me just choose it so we can take it here. Okay, that's it. This is the water. Okay, so I just put the picture here to make it easy, like here. Okay, that's it. Now let's move on to the next step, which is, after adding water, we have to knead the dough. Step 3 is knead the dough. What is kneading the dough? Is to make the dough flat. Make the dough flat. When we mix the water and salt and yeast, we get the dough. Now we are gonna make it flat. Okay? We also have the picture here, as you can see here. After the next step is proof the dough. After that, proof the dough. So I just take the picture from here. After that, proof the dough. Let's go for this one, here, there. So we can just write proof the dough, right? Proof the dough here. And let's change it to green. Okay. Let's move on to the last step, which is to put the bread in the oven, right? Put the bread in the oven, or put it in the oven to make it simple. Oven, O-V-E-N, right? So the last step is to put the bread, or put it in the oven. Here you can see the picture. The oven is very hot. When you put it there, the bread will be ready, will be cooked and baked and be ready for you to eat it and enjoy it. So this is how bread is made. I hope you can do your best on the exam. Study very well, practice, and be sure that you can do your best. My dear students, have a very great day. The best of luck for you. Inshallah, you will do your best. Goodbye. See you.